If you're into cool, smart, and travel-friendly tech like I am, you're gonna love this one. I found 11 awesome Amazon gadgets that make life easier, smarter, and just more fun, whether you're at home, on the road, or anywhere in between. You ever hit the road and wish your cooler could actually keep things cold without needing a pile of ice? Yeah, same.
That's why the Literally Frozen Pack is a total game changer. It's a 20-liter or 21-quart portable fridge that doesn't just sit there looking cool. It is cool, like 40GF cool, and it gets there in just 15 minutes. No more soggy sandwiches. No more fishing your soda out of melted ice. This thing runs on a 12V battery, plugs into your car, RV, or even the wall back home, and you can carry it like a backpack. Seriously. Heading out for a camping trip? Quick beach run? Weekend RV escape? This fridge fits right in. It's quiet, efficient,
and won't drain your battery like those bulky old coolers. If you like your snacks fresh and your drinks ice cold, this might be your new favorite travel buddy. Okay, let's be honest. Flipping between tabs on one tiny laptop screen, it drives you crazy, right? That's where this 14-inch triple laptop screen extender swoops in to save your sanity. Imagine having not one, not two, but 3 screens on your laptop. Yep. It snaps right onto the back of your 13 to 17.3-inch laptop, and you've got a full triple display setup. No desk required. Editing, gaming, multitasking, stock trading, even zooming on one screen and taking notes on the other, you can do it all. It's full HD, super crisp, and the best part? It's plug and play. No weird software, no tech headaches. Just connect via USB-C or HDMI and you're good to go. Mac or Windows? Doesn't matter. It works with both. Whether you're working from a coffee shop, on a business trip, or just want to look like a total boss at your local library, this thing turns your laptop into a portable command center. So if you're tired of window juggling and tiny screen frustration, this gadget is an instant upgrade you didn't know you needed until now. The DJI Flip. This little beast is under 249 grams, but don't let the size fool you. It's packing a 4K UHD camera with a buttery smooth 3-axis gimbal, which means your footage rock steady even if your flying skills aren't. It's got a 31-minute flight time, which is honestly impressive for how compact it is. And get this, you can launch it straight from your palm. No runway, no hassle, just up and go. The video transmission range is wild, over 13 kilometers or 44,000 feet. That's more than enough to scout, shoot, and still make it home with juice to spare. And speaking of home, it's got auto return. So if your battery runs low, or you just lose track of it, the drone knows how to fly itself back. Smart, right? Whether you're a weekend adventurer or a creative on the move, the DJI Flip makes it insanely easy to get cinematic drone shots without lugging around a giant setup. Fun, fast, and feature-packed. It's kind of like having a flying camera crew in your backpack. We're way past smartwatches now. Meet the Ring-Con Gen 2, a sleek silver smart ring that packs a serious punch. It's small, subtle, and loaded with features you actually care about. What makes it stand out? First off, no app subscriptions. What you see is what you get, and that's rare. You'll get real-time health tracking for things like sleep apnea, stress levels, heart rate, and even women's health, all from your finger. And with a 12-day battery life, you're not charging it every other night. That's freedom. It's featherlight, totally discreet, and works with both Android and iPhone. Whether you're working out, working late, or just trying to keep tabs on your well-being, this ring keeps up. Without screaming, "I'm a gadget." No bulky wristbands, no constant buzzing. Just a clean design and simple, powerful data that helps you stay on top of your health, day and night. So here's something cool. The Godox MA5R. It's super compact and light, and you can stick it right on your phone. Honestly, it's a game changer if you're doing TikTok, vlogs, or even just snapping decent pics in bad lighting. It's magnetic, which is nice, no fumbling with cords, also it charges fast. You can throw it in your bag, clip it on in seconds, and boom, you've got solid lighting. It's got RGB, so you can tweak the colors to match your vibe. Warm, cool, full rainbow if you're feeling fancy. It's tiny, like fits in your hand, but surprisingly bright. You don't need a giant light setup anymore. Whether you're filming in your room or out and about, this thing's ready to go. If you're creating content and your lighting's still meh, this little guy fixes that fast. If you're into big screens but short on space, this little thing might blow your mind. Meet the Zip Trifold DLP projector. It's seriously pocket-sized, but it doesn't play small. First off, it folds up like a gadget from a spy movie.
trifold design, super compact. Throw it in your bag and you're set for movie night wherever. And the setup? No fuss. One click and it mirrors your screen instantly. No lag, no wires, no drama. Now the focus tech is wild. It snaps into clarity fast. Zero lag focus means you're not sitting there tapping buttons trying to make the picture sharp. Plus, it runs full screen mode like a champ, with punchy colors and smooth playback indoors or out.
It charges via USB-C and packs a 5000 mAh battery, which is plenty for a solid watch session without being chained to an outlet. Whether it's camping, dorm room movies, or even a work presentation, this thing handles it.
It's like a cinema in your pocket, and if your phone can cast it, the Zip Trifold can play it. You know those moments you wish you could just snap and print a memory instantly? No filters, no fuss. The Fujifilm Instax PAL Plus Mini-Link printer bundle makes it effortless and fun. First up, the Instax PAL. It is the size of a digital camera that fits in the palm of your hand. It is ideal for taking a quick snap on the go. No screen, no distractions. Take the shot and go. Then, tap to send your shot straight to the printer from your phone, and boom, you've got instant prints with that classic retro look. Now here's the kicker. The printer syncs with your phone too, so even your digital pics get the vintage Polaroid vibe. Add doodles, AR effects, or even motion. It's like giving your memories a personality. Whether you're out with friends, capturing behind-the-scenes shots, or just want to make your photo wall pop. This bundle brings that tactile magic back. Fun, fast, and way cooler than scrolling through your camera roll. If you're working from home or just want to seriously level up your setup, you need to see this gadget. It's called the RayQ docking station. It's a 13-in-1 USB-C hub that lets you connect up to 3 monitors. Yes, triple 4K displays. Plus it has 3 HDMI ports, 5 USB-A ports, Ethernet, audio jack, USB-C data, and even comes with a 45W power adapter. But here's the best part. It's not just functional, it actually looks good too. It has a built-in digital clock and can double as a photo frame on your desk, so it blends tech and style in the coolest way. It's perfect for MacBook users, Windows laptops, or anyone juggling screens for editing, gaming, streaming, or serious multitasking. You won't need a mess of dongles or adapters. This one dock does it all, clean and simple. Plus, it keeps everything powered and organized. If you've been waiting to upgrade your workspace, this might be the smartest move you can make. Would you use it for work, content creation, or gaming? If you're keeping your crypto online, whether it's a browser wallet or an exchange, you're taking a risk. You probably know that already. So I grabbed the Trezor Safe 5, and honestly, it's kinda underrated. It's not flashy, but it just works. Feels solid. You've got this color touchscreen, nice little haptic feedback when you tap and set up. Way easier than I thought. But here's the part that matters. It has a secure chip built in. That means even if someone physically steals the device, your crypto is still locked behind a passphrase. They're not getting in, period. And no, it's not just Bitcoin. I'm storing multiple tokens on this thing, all offline, all in one place. Clean. I used to think hardware wallets were overkill. Now, it's peace of mind. If you're holding anything long-term, or even short-term, honestly, this is something you might want to take seriously. If you camp, hike, hit the beach, or just hate blowing up inflatables manually, this one's for you. The FlexTail Gear Max Pump 3 is a pocket-sized air pump that somehow packs serious power. We're talking 5 kPa pressure and 500 lul min airflow, which means it can inflate your air mattress, pool float, or sleeping pad in under a minute. No cords, no stress, just press a button and boom, it's done. It's also more than just a pump. This little beast doubles as a camping light with 3 brightness settings, so you're not stuck fumbling in the dark. And it weighs less than half a pound, so it's ultra-light for backpackers or weekend warriors. Honestly, I didn't expect much from this little desk toy, but Ilix surprised me. It's a small robot pet that reacts when you touch it. Not only in a boring way either, but it genuinely feels like it has a personality. Tap its head and it might smile. Give it a poke and suddenly it's all dramatic. It's weirdly fun. The animations are super smooth, and it doesn't just sit there, it plays games with you. It's basic stuff, but the charm is in how it does it. You end up wanting to see how it reacts next. It's one of those things you start messing with while waiting for a file to load. And then 15 minutes are gone. If you're thinking about a birthday gift or something to bring to the holidays, this is it. Kids love it, adults weirdly do too. It doesn't do too much, and that's part of the appeal. It's fun without being another screen in your face. iLick isn't just cute, it's got a vibe, and honestly my desk feels a bit boring without it now. And this video ends here. If you want the latest, greatest, and coolest gadgets hitting Amazon, you're in the right place. Hit like, subscribe, and bell icon because we're just getting started. More insane tech reviews are coming your way. Stay tuned.